Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable aptX codec for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. And before I will show you, I have important information for you. First one, if you have iPhone, you cannot use this codec because Apple devices doesn't support aptX, also LDAC and another. So AC is your maximum. Also, you need to, if you have Android, you need to check if your phone supports aptX. It's really important to use to hear the difference between SBC and aptX. Now, we will use developer option. So if you don't know how to use it, at this channel we have a video for your phone, so you can find it here. Now go to the settings and right here at the search write codec. And here it is, we have Bluetooth audio codecs, and as you can see in developer options. So you need to enable it. Tap on it. And here it is. Now it showed codec what we use right now. Click on it. And you need to swap to aptX to enable it. So click on it. Now we use aptX. To disable this codec, click on it. And you need to swap to AC or SBC. Click on something, let's say AC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!